Munini umwe wa Shifo Hwae wa Irani arahonokirie mwarimu umwe wa ukuru wa gatagati-ini uria uranyitetwo migwate-ini andu maretwite endia ara-ini cia thimu gicagi-ini gia Kihiu Mwiri Ithanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'a na gukuo ni ngari nginya tauni-ini ya Thika aroretio Nairobi. Munini uyu wa Shifo wa Kianjau John Karanja augite arari barabara-ini ya Thika Super Highway hindi iria arahitukirwo ni ngari ya ekinae aya hakuhi na ihoero ria Visitian Retreat Center kuria araiguire mbu iria iramwikirire njika na hau gwetha atwarithia a boda niguo marumirire ngari iyo. Ekwirwo aya ana atumia eri na arume eri ni maraikirio ngono hakuhi na ndaraca ya Witeithie Juja na thutha ucio kuneanwo kuri maabitha a borithi aria marahurirwo thimu ni Shifo uyu thutha wa ekinae aya kunyitwo. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro ari ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Thika, mwarimu uyu Gathoni Githinji augite aracemanirie na ana aya gicukiro-ini kia mbathi mwena wa Ithanga haria maramuhenereirie amanengere thimu yake niguo mamuthondekere na mararuta mbia ciake. Thutha ana aya marerutira kumukua nginya mwena wa Thika kuria arathiaga thibitari no thabari-ini handu ha kumutwara Thika maramugaruruka na kumuhe mikana ya kumuraga.
So I was beating the windscreen like this, the side mirrors. I was yelling and calling for help, and then the car just went very quickly, and it went into the bush on the other side. And then one of the guy was telling me, we are going to show you kama tumekupatia lift alafu unatuletea matata wewe utaona. Sisi ni watu wa Safaricom, wa Telecom, unataka tufutwe kazi.
Uhoro uyu ni wikiritwo mukonde ni munene wa borithi Thika Bernard Ayo akiuga ana aya Alfred Michael Kamau Macharia, Kevin Kamau Muturi, Penina Njeri Kimani na Jacinta Wanjiko Irungu memoko-ini ma borithi metereire kuhingurirwo thitango na kuria mundu ungikorwo oe uhoro umegie ahure riboti ceceni-ini ino ya borithi.
With them in the cells, and we give alert to all members of the public that don't just be easy giving your details to somebody which you've not confirmed where he is working at, or if you're not really sure that he works or she works with a certain organization. It's better to give your particulars to somebody you know, because it is risky. It is security risk, because they can use those particulars to do other crimes and you'll be a victim of the circumstance.
Ngiribotira Kameme TV kuma Nairobi, njitagwo Ngigi wa Kinyanjui na Muthoni.
Tulia kwa ile kona.